Suppose you are planning to launch your own airline and want to know how much risk your equity will have. You anticipate that once your firm is up and running, it will have a ratio of net debt to equity of 0.5. Clearly, your airline does not exist yet, and so you cannot go to Google Finance to find its beta equity. You will need a different approach. One idea is that because you will be operating an airline, the business risk of your firm will be similar to the business risk of other airlines. This is not a bad assumption. Indeed, we just saw that most airlines, American, Delta, United, have similar business risks. Let's go back to the table we constructed for existing airlines. The last column has the business risk or beta asset of these firms. While they are very similar, they are not identical. Your best estimate of the beta asset in this industry is the average of the beta asset of these individual firms. In this case, this average is 0.78. But this is not yet your final answer. This 0.78 is only the business risk of your firm. Since you will use debt to finance its operation, you need to add the additional risk this debt will introduce. That is, you need to add the financial risk. You can do this by using the relation between beta equity and beta asset that I gave you before. So here is the equation for the beta equity as a function of the capital structure and beta asset. The beta asset for your firm will be close to the industry average of 0.78. Also, since you are planning to use a net debt to equity ratio of 0.5, you plug this value into the formula. The resulting beta equity of your firm will be 1.17. This process of adding financial risk to a beta asset is called levering the beta. What if you are interested instead in knowing what the expected return of your equity will be for new investors? Since you already have your beta, you can use the CAPM model from the last module to figure that out. For example, if the risk-free rate is 4% and the market risk premium is 5%, the expected return on the equity of your firm will be the risk-free rate of 4% plus the equity beta of 1.17 times the market risk premium of 5%, for an expected return of 9.85%.